Hello, welcome to my presentation, 7 Best Cooking Tips for Weight Loss, presented by Sean Bourne. 1. Cook with the right sources of protein. You should consume an adequate amount of protein daily. When on a fat loss diet, you should increase your protein intake because there is a higher chance that your body will start turning the incoming protein as a fuel source. The body needs protein to cover all its daily maintenance functions. Protein has fat-burning powers that will boost the metabolic rate and allow you to burn more calories in the hours after consuming it. The best sources of proteins are eggs, chicken and poultry, and fish. 2. Cook with the best fat-burning oils. Cooking with the right oils will help to boost your fat loss progress and make your diet taste great. Oils help to add flavor to the foods you are eating, but they supply vital nutrients. The best oils that will keep your body working properly and help to boost your metabolic rate are olive oil. This oil is well known to be one of the most friendly oils around. 2. Coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, which can actually be utilized by the muscle for energy instantly. 3. Spice it up. Spice up your foods. Spices will boost the taste of your foods, but also boost your metabolic rate so that you burn fat all day long. Spices are quick and easy to add into your dishes. List of top spices to help you take your fat loss into high gear: black pepper, turmeric, cinnamon, ginger, garlic, cayenne pepper. 4. Stop cooking with these un-metabolic ingredients. Another problem is that some people are cooking with foods that will only encourage fat accumulation rather than supply healthy fat burning. These include margarine, vegetable oil, salad dressing, processed protein, high sodium seasoning, cream, white flour, brown sugar. 5. Create your own salad dressing. One of the biggest problems with your diet right now is the sauces and dressings that you are adding to your food. These are loaded in saturated fat, filled with chemicals and sugar. They are going to do nothing to boost your rate of fat loss or boost your metabolism. List of ingredients you should consider adding: Dijon mustard, apple cider vinegar, lemon, parsley, garlic clove, dry thyme, black pepper. 6. Prepare your own fat torching seasoning. Another smart way to help you with your fat burning progress is to add plenty of fat burning herbs and spices. Top herbs to consider: parsley. This great herb will work great in a variety of dishes, will help with food cravings and fat loss. Basil can help aid with weight loss by dialing the appetite level. Oregano, this reduces the effect of bloating. Rosemary can help reduce the level of stress present in the body, since stress can rapidly cause level of cortisol in the body to increase, and this cortisol can encourage stomach fat accumulation. By adding rosemary to your herb mixture, you will indirectly help prevent fat gain from occurring. 7. Prepare recipes with plenty of metabolic vegetables. Metabolic vegetables are vegetables that will cause the body to move into a negative calorie state simply by eating them, or another way to put it is that eating these vegetables will cause you to burn more calories than they provide you. Here are the ones that you need to know about: broccoli, Brussels sprout, cabbage, cauliflower, cucumber, eggplant, peppers, tomatoes, carrots, celery, onions. Give this video a like, share, subscribe, and check the link in the description.